Here is a sample of a Sarah reflections using the collect, evaluate, reflect, apply framework. Collect. Over the past month, I have been collecting my thoughts, experiences, and emotions in a journal. I have documented moments of joy, challenges faced, and lessons learned from various interactions and experiences. Evaluate. As I review my journal entries, I notice patterns emerging. I see that moments of growth often follow moments of discomfort or uncertainty. By evaluating my thoughts and experiences, I can identify areas where I have shown resilience and areas where I can improve. Reflect. In reflecting on my journal entries, I realized the importance of self care and setting boundaries. I recognize that prioritizing my well being leads to better productivity and overall happiness. I also reflect on the value of communication and how open dialogue fosters stronger. Apply. Moving forward, I plan to apply my reflections by incorporating regular self care practices into my routine. I will set clear boundaries to protect my time and energy. Additionally, I will practice active listening and open communication in my interactions to strengthen my relationships and promote understanding. These sample Sarah reflections demonstrate how the individual collects, evaluates, reflects on, and applies insight gained from their experiences. By following the Sarah framework. Individuals can deepen their self awareness, make meaningful changes, and foster personal growth.